What's up, YouTube? Doswellbeats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. All right, today, same as usual, come down, turn the camera on, nothing in thought. Like, that's how I like to make my beats, with nothing in thought. Just have like a blank canvas and just start with like my metronome, just go off of my metronome, tap out something, and then just pull up a VST and just go to work. And most of my beats, majority of my beats, that's how I start, just nothing in thought. Sometimes I have like a little pattern in thought, but for majority of the time my canvas be clear and I just go in, metronome, progression or some chords, and just go to work, man. So this was the same day, not the same day, but the same process that I use. This is what I did. All right, let's get it, man. Let's go. Let's go ahead and put that halftime in there. Where is that? Half speed. You can hear the original in the back a little bit. I like that. All right, let's copy this and we're gonna move it over to another VST. Put it on track 2 and let's move it down. Hold shift, hit the down arrow on the keyboard, and let's get another VST. Let's go to Studio. By Studio Link, find a guitar underneath the instruments. I like this guitar right here. All right, let's move that out the way. Let's just solo this. All right, let's copy that whole sequence, bounce it to a sample. Once we bounce it to a sample, we're gonna drag it into our audio. Make sure it's warped. Then we're gonna reverse it, see what that sound like. turn it down some. Alright, so to keep it in the same key, let's move it up like 12, either up 12 semitones or down 12 semitones. Let's do that and hear what that sound like. Alright, that sound fire to me, right? Alright, so let's go back into our MIDI now. Let's drag a start adding some drums and stuff to it. Let's humanize it, the velocity. Let's go ahead and add a bass to it. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna leave it off there for now. If this is your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, another day, man, another beat. I'm starting to learn to just turn my camera on and just record, even if it's recording for over 2 hours. is recording. This beat right here has been recording for, what'd that say, 43 minutes. It ain't totally looped out or none of that. It's just a loop, an 8-bar loop. And that's it. Mute stuff, take stuff out, add stuff up. That's it, man. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, man. I'll just be making my music. Thanks to everybody for subscribing. My old subscribers, appreciate y'all. Everything's starting to look up, man. Thanks. I appreciate everybody, all right? Let's get it, man. As always, after every beat, you know what I like to say, right?